Today's episode, I'm going to show you how I make stuffed grape leaves, a simple and an easy recipe. You can have it as an appetizer or can have it as a meal on its own. The ingredients are 500 grams or about a pound of ground beef, a tablespoon of allspice, cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1.5 tablespoons of salt, a tablespoon of oil, a jar of grape leaves, and 1.5 cups of short grain rice. Add all the spices and the salt and the olive oil to the meat and mix well. After rinsing the rice, add on top of the seasoned beef. Now mix the rice and the beef. I put the grape leaves in here and I rinsed them just a little bit, and I'm going to slowly open them up. You want to keep the shape and try not to break leaves. Next, you want to spread the grape leaves on a clean surface. Start spreading out the grape leaves with the smooth side down. If it has any stems, you do want to take them off, but this is why I like this brand. It comes pretty clean. Now they are pretty delicate. The first time you'll do this, it probably is going to take you a while, but the more you do it, the faster you will get at it. You're able to do this and then take the time to just be mindful, maybe not have to listen to anything and just quietly focus on the task that you have. Notice the smell. Notice how the leaves feel in your hands. You can use it to listen to an audio book. Today I'm listening to The Psychology of Money. Now you want to bring in the stuffing. This will come with practice as to how much you'd like to put in. I don't like to overstuff them because then they don't stay intact after cooking. Judge the amount of stuffing based on the size of the grape leaf, and then you roll. As you're rolling, the trick is to push down and pull at the same time. And then at the end, give it a bit of a squeeze so that it doesn't fall apart. Get the pot that you want to cook them in. And at the bottom, you can just put a couple of leaves just to help them from drying out. Maybe take a couple of leaves that are not in the best of shape to roll. And then start taking the rolled grape leaves and organize them in the pot. This is a great activity to do with kids as well. Helps for them to develop focus, dexterity, and focus on mindfulness and the task on hand. Once you're done rolling them and stacking them as close together as possible, cover the pot such that it just covers the grape leaves. You can sprinkle a bit of salt and oil if you like. And then take a plate that's slightly smaller than the pot, turn it upside down and push down. This helps keeps the grape leaves together and that they don't unroll. And now you bring it to boil. Then turn down the heat and let it simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour. After 45 minutes, check one of the leaves, take a bite, and see that it's to your liking. Add some lemon juice and enjoy.